Well, got this thing back in here. Fucking pushed her with the old GM. Yeah. So, a lot more room for activities in the front of it now. Didn't pull it as far ahead. Hey, Rook? Hey? Hey. Hey. I know there's a mouse in the roof. You fucking crazy. Well, round 2 is going a lot better because I got my fucking bike / trans lift and I pulled the T-case off. And I think that'll be good for tonight, and then tomorrow I'll pull the tranny out. But that was a lot fucking easier than struggling with chain fault. Yeah, just safer. How to get tranny bolts. Step 1, use all of your extensions. Step 2, impact. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Step 3. Fucking hit it. There she goes. Yeah, mint. Okay. I need to fucking go inside and get a drink. I've been out here since like, I don't know, 12:40. And it doesn't look like I've done anything, but I'm going back together. I already dropped the trans and did the bearing and everything. I already got it bolted back in, and gotta do the Z-bar up there, put the T-case back on, and see what the fuck happens. But, and I'm cutting these off. Sorry, not sorry, Chase. I know you hate them. I fucking hate them too, cause they're right under the gas tank, and you fucking whack your head on them crawling out. But it's break time. Time to go get some water and food.
Some bad motherfuckers just rolled up. Yeah. Firecracker, sword fuse. I pulled the plug out on you like the corn.
Man.
No limit, no curfew.
Oh, we're getting there. Just gonna put the carrier bearing up, tighten the U-joint straps, put the starter on, put the dust cover on for the front of the trans, and it's done. Okay, see if this thing will start, and then let's see if it'll move. Oh yeah, come on, you pig. Do it. Okay. Oh, these tires are so bouncy. There's first. Second. Come on, you pig. Oh, this carburetor needs some tuning hard. And then there's high gear. Oh, this carb is so bad. So, the timing on this thing was stupid fucking advanced. Like, God, 24 degrees initial. That's way too much. That's why it was fucking wide open throttle. Way too advanced. Probably had like fucking 48 degrees advanced. Small block Chevys don't like that much. They like about 32 degrees advanced. 36 at most. Well, I set her to 10. She didn't like 10. Sorry, 12. I set it to 12. She didn't like 12. So now she's at about 16 degrees. Oh, it loves it. That fan's not liking life. It's making some noise. But, oh, she's loving life at 16 degrees. It's running like a cherry. Timing on a 350 Chevy is fucking everything. Just running like it should. That's fucking... Ugh. Stay! Oh, she's running like a fucking top now. Alright, now to see what the fuck I can do with this fender. Oh, it's so bad. Yeah, try and see what I can do with that, because that's running good. I don't need to pull the carb. It was just timing. See, I'll work on that fucking mess. Now to semi-quote Vice Grip Garage. She ain't pretty, but you know, she's good enough for the girls we go with. Gnarly. But I mean, that fender's on there. It ain't on down there because there ain't much to attach to down there anymore. There's not a whole lot left. So, self-tappers? Oh, fuck. Something. Here's a little pro tip. You don't need to make a fancy tool. It's called, you take a screwdriver, put it in there, and hammer. And it's loosening off. Just a little tippy poo there for you. Don't need to make fancy tools for something like that.